Hi friends, welcome to Live with Ease. My name is Julia, and today I'm going to walk you through a practice from the Kripalu tradition called Breath of Joy. This is a very energizing, uplifting practice. It's really great to do first thing in the morning when you get out of bed, just to give you that little spark just to jumpstart your day. Yeah, and it's also really great if you're feeling those times you're feeling a little down and out and it's really hard to motivate yourself. I always say, feel what you feel. But if you've been sitting in there for a while and you need a little boost, this is such a great practice. Um, and yeah, it could just give you a little boost of joy, put a smile on your face, and reframe that energy into something a little more exhilarating and uplifting. Okay, so. Now, this practice you can do as is when I get to the real deal here, the traditional version. But I like to sometimes do a little bit of a warm up, just to warm up the spine, because it can be, if your spine is feeling a little stiff, it could ask a lot of the spine. It doesn't have to, but to really get that boost and using the breath and the dropping and the release. It's so great to just let go of the spine. So sometimes when the spine is a little stiff, it can be a bit more challenging. So I'm going to just do a brief little warm up. So we could start facing the length of your mat, and then maybe just take a few moments to roll the shoulders back. Good. And forward. Yeah. I'll face you just so you can see. And then a single roll, shoulder rolls back. Yeah, really breathe it in and breathe it out. Excellent. And then let's take the arms open and then give yourself a hug. Good. One more. Open, breathe it in. Open your heart. This is what's very challenging sometimes when we feel a little down. Good. You need to open that heart. Yeah. Good, good, good. I shake out the arms, and then we're just going to gently roll the head from side to side. So tilting the head to one side or lowering the ear towards one shoulder, then rolling chin forward and side. Good. And then eventually you can take the circle all the way around. Just be mindful that you don't collapse in the back of the neck and compress the back of the neck. Let's keep the back of the neck nice and long. And then make sure you go the other way. Good. Let's just do one more. Good morning. Good morning. Good. And then again, staying where you are and facing the length of your mat. And we're just going to roll up and down a few times through the spine. So dropping the chin. Actually, before we do, let's just take a moment actually to really find our feet. Yeah, see if you can feel your whole footprint settling into the earth. Maybe bring yourself back to a time you were standing barefoot on grass, soil, sand, or some nice springy soft moss. Just imagine your feet sinking into the earth, soaking up the beautiful, healing, positive energy from Mama Earth. Good. Softening the knees. Let the weight of the pelvis fall into the legs. And then from here, you're going to drop the chin, let the weight of the skull fall forward, shoulders fall forward, heavy arms. You're going to just start to roll down through the spine, only as far down as it's comfortable. So at some point, if you're rolling all the way down, you might want to bend in the knees. Yeah, really let the weight of the head Weight of the upper body fall. Let the weight of the arms fall. Let them go. Let them be noodly. Take a big out breath here. Inhale. Exhale. Press and sink the feet into the earth as you roll up, as you start to roll up through the spine, dropping the pelvis, not tucking, just letting the weight of it drop, and unfold the spine. So the head and the chin are the last to arrive. Maybe take the arms up towards the ceiling. Big in-breath. Exhale, open the arms out, and let's take the roll down one more time. And so this idea of feeling heavy, weighted, and loose is going to be very useful in our breath of joy practice. Good. And also, how far you go in this roll down might determine how far you bend over when you take breath of joy, which we'll get to very shortly. Good. Yeah, so you can do as many of those as you like. Yeah, until you feel like your spine is starting to unravel in terms of tension, just unraveling the tension and softening and loosening up. And now, if you want, you can stay where you are, facing where you are. I'm just going to face forward, just so you can see me more clearly. And again, we want to maintain softness in the knees, planting in the foot, that really heavy sinking foot, and dropped pelvis. Okay, so this is what's going to happen. You're going to take 3 in breaths in a row. So kind of like this. And then your next breath will be an exhalation. You're going to expel the breath, and it's going to be a big exaggerated exhalation. Yeah, so try that again. 3 in breaths in a row through the nose. So here we go. And that could even be a it could be audible as well. You can add sound to that, which is actually quite nice, and just releasing the junk, releasing the stuff we don't want. Get it out, get it out. Ah. So with those 3 in breaths, you're going to use, the arms are going to move in 3 different ways. So the first in breath, you're going to scoop. So again, keeping the knees soft, you might add a little bend in the knee. So bending the knees, scooping the arm forward in. So it's a bit of a, as we go through this, it's kind of a rebound and stretch, rebound and recovery. Yeah. So rebound, inhale. Inhale, open the arms out to the side. Third inhale, you're going to scoop the arms up towards the ceiling. And on the exhalation, this is where you're going to fold forward. I'm just going to turn to the side so you can see. And you're going to let that out breath go and let the arms go. Let everything just drop. Again, we're going to fold forward through the spine, not flat back. Yeah, because this can cause tension and strain. We want to move with the curvatures of the spine. So after we take our final inhale with the arms up, exhale, and then swing the arms back up. And as they swing up, you're going to take your in breath, in breath, in breath, out breath, in breath, in breath, in breath, out breath. Yeah. So again, that fold forward, you can fold forward as far as it's comfortable. If it's only here, that's fine too. If you want to go completely down, really bending in the knees and drop the skull, give her whatever feels good. But ultimately, we want to soak up that vitalizing, fresh oxygen with those 3 in breaths, and then expel the stuff we don't want. Really let it out. So let's do 5. Let's do 5 of those in a row. Okay, together. Here we go. Of course, you can go at your own pace, but we'll do this together on your own time. Here we go. Inhale. Last one. And rebound up. Take a moment, close the eyes. Just stand in silence, noticing how that feels. Take note of any sensations that are coming up. Can you start to feel the spark and electricity of energy moving through your veins, your body, your whole system? Even maybe it's waking up the brain. Keep the eyes open, or you can close them. This might be a good time to set an intention for the day, or reframe a thought, a negative thought, to something positive. Maybe the first thing that came to my head in this moment was, I am courageous and proud of who I am. I am courageous and proud of who I am. And whatever your mantra is for today or in this moment, repeat it as many times as you can until you start to infuse your body with the feeling. So it's not just speaking the words and the thoughts, really feel the emotion of the thought and how exciting and exhilarating it is. I am courageous and I am proud of who I am, whatever it is. Yeah, really start to embody that, to create those new neural networks, to start to fire and create more positivity in your life. So there you have it, my version of Breath of Joy, warming up with a closing with a mantra. I think it's very useful. So I'll just leave you with this final mantra, my favorite, at the end of a practice, and a reminder throughout the day. Palms of the hands together, to the forehead, think love. To the lips, speak love. To the heart center, be love. Thank you so much for joining me today. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends, your family, and also check out the link in the box. There's a few links. One, there's a 20-minute free consultation with me, one-on-one, to work on an opportunity to work with each other one-on-one to help you dive deeper and unravel your tension and pain, reduce anxiety, and just help you discover life with ease and movement with ease. And then there's also a link to the Live with Ease at Home journey, which is a private Facebook group, but basically you receive a weekly love letter. Okay, so have an awesome day, and I look forward to seeing you on the mat again very, very soon. Until next time, ease into your best life. Ciao.